Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to withdraw money with Wise application. So first of all, of course, you'll need a Wise application on your phone. So if you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do is just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, of course, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just launch my Wise application here. And as we said, of course, if you want to withdraw money with Wise, all you need to do is just go to your account here. It's at the bottom right corner. After going here to your account, all you need to do is just look for manage card. So if you didn't find this here, as you can see, because I don't have it here, some people will have it here on the card section at the left of the sand here, which is on the bottom. So if you click here on card, as you can see here, you'll find cards. You can get here your physical card. Of course, if you want to get a physical Wise card, you can get it through that. But as we said, we want to withdraw money without maybe this physical card, so let me just show you how. So just go back to your accounts here, and then all you need to do, just go and click at account details. Here you would like to click, of course, on continue, because get account details from Wise. You will get paid in 10 currencies, receive and transfer salary or pension, pay bills via direct debit, and connect with service like Strip. Here, of course, you would like to add your account details. If you maybe like, what account details would you like to activate first? So it could be euro, British pound, US dollar. Choose whatever you want. So just choose euro as an example here. You would like here to fill all this information about you. Then all you need to do is just click at save. After that, you have been creating or opening your account on the Wise application. All you need to do, just go and select manage payments methods, then scroll down and select account limit, then select at ATM withdrawals, and that's how you withdraw your money from Wise. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.